Welcome back to the course Learn Blockchain. So today we have demo for signatures, public and private keys, and for that we are using this website andersbrownwood.com/blockchain/public-private-keys/keys. Don't worry, I'll provide the link in the description. And let's start with the public private key pairs. So here we have private key and below that public key. We can randomly generate private keys and corresponding public key is generated. And if you look here, the size of public key is always the same. Even if you change the length of private keys, the length of public key is the same. Yeah, no matter the size of private key, the size of public key is always the same. You can also put a private key as 1. The length of public key is always the same, 1 2, yeah, same 3. But I recommend to put the private key little longer. It's like your password, so make it little longer and difficult. I would go with random. Yeah, so this is about the public and private keys. Now let's look at the signatures. So in the previous video we understood about signatures, private and public keys. Private key is used to sign the message and it generates signatures. So we have message here, private key, and then if you click on sign, then it will provide the signatures. So this is from the sender's perspective. And if you see here in verify, you can see message, public key and signature. So this is from the nodes or miner or the receiver perspective. We haven't generated any signatures yet. And then if you click on verify, it will verify based on this public key, and this public key is linked to this private key. So first of all, let's write a message. I am Roman. Then let's sign this message and I get this message signature. And from the miners nodes or receiver perspective, we get this message, public key and signatures. So this public key is linked to this private key. So if we click on verify, it will be verified. Yeah, and let's say if we tamper this public key 1, and if we click on verify, it won't verify because this public key does not link with this private key. That means this signature was not signed by that private key associated with this public key. So this is how the verification work. Yeah, it should work. So this is about the signatures. And then there is transactions. Okay, so instead of the message, we have the transaction here. I did the same. Here is the sign and then verify. Yeah, let's say okay, $20 from this address to this address, and this is my public key. Okay, let's sign it, and here the message signature generated. Let's go from the miner's perspective. We have message, from, to, signatures, message signature. Yeah, and we are missing public key. It should include public key. Public key is needed in order to verify. We have message along with the signature, and there must be public key. And if we click on verify, it is verified. Now if we try to tamper $10, let's make it $10 and see if that's verify. No, it says invalid. There is nothing like $10 sent from this address to that address. Yeah, it's valid now. Now let's change the sender. Instead of this one, let's say this one sends okay, invalid. And let's try to tamper the receiver. Invalid. even if you try to tamper the signature, invalid. So if you try to tamper any field, it results in invalid. So this is how it works. And then we have the blockchain. So it is similar. You can come here and explore. I will leave it to you. And this is it for the demo. You can come here and try. So this is all. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.